Hello everyone. So today we start with the first module. Previous lecture we introduce the complete syllabus of subject computer communication network. There are total number of 6 modules. So today I am going to explain. Start with the first module. So this first module consists of total number of 6 lecture. So which topics to be covered in first module? So first one is a network application, then network hardware, network software, reference model, basically OSI model, then overview of TCP/IP. We also compare OSI model and TCP/IP model. We also define the function of each layer and services offered by the each layer. Then we define the basic concept, what is meant by socket and port and its basic definitions, also types of the port. Then we introduce the basic concept of encapsulation. So let us start with the network application layer. So in this lecture 1 we introduce the concept of network applications. There are the basically 4 network applications. So in this lecture we introduce the network applications. So last 3 centuries we already very well known that the 18th century was industrial revolution, that is the age of industrial revolution. 19th century it is age of your steam engine, and 20th century that is gathering the information, processing the information, all these things. And 21st century is called as the age of the information or information technology. So in such case, that time the information can be collected, gathering and processing through the network. So whenever the two peoples are far away, thousands of miles, they are communicated over a network. So what are the network applications? Can be see in these lectures. So the network applications are basically classified into 4 types: business applications, home applications, mobile users and social issues. So in this lecture we see one by one the network application which can be explained. So business applications, which is related to basically client and between client and corporate world. So best example, if we see, this is the figure explain the network with 2 clients and 1 server. Suppose these 2 clients, they want to communicate a corporate sector to want to assess the information of their some tender, to filling the a tender. So that purpose it will be used the server of any corporate company, and that time it can communicate through this server or a network. So the best example of business applications we can see here in corporate sector. The best example in business application, that is client server model. So the whole arrangement that is called as a client server model, that involves the process of request and reply. If we look the client server model in detail, there are the 2 processes. One is the client process and second one is your server process. One on the client machine and one on the server machine. So one process on a client machine and second one process on server machine. The communication takes place from the client process sending a message over a network to the server process. The client process waits for the reply message. When the server process gets the request from the client machine, that time data sent back to the reply. This message are called the reply. So here the client server model involves the two processes, request and reply, and communication is take place between the client and machine server model. So this question will be asked for the 5 marks in question number 1. So what is the use of business application? So first one is a resource sharing. So what is my resource sharing? For example, in company there is a common printer, so we can share this common printer through LAN. So that is the example of resource sharing. So we can resource sharing in terms of hardware, software and information. That is the application. Then also provide the communication through email, video, conferencing, toll-free numbers, doing business electronically, business to business, business to consumer, e-commerce. So these are the uses of business applications. Then what are the goals of network in business application? First one is a resource sharing, then high reliability, saving the money and scalability. So these are the goals of the business applications. Then we go to the second network application, that is home applications. So what are the home applications? The home applications are again basically classified into 4 subclass. That is, first one is a access to remote information, example virtual remote location network, VPN server we can use like this. Then person to person communication like WhatsApp, email, Instagram, all these things will be used. Then this type of communication is called as a peer-to-peer communication, will be take place through this home application. Then interactive entertainment, the entertainment in the form of live chat or YouTube. Then also we use the home application like electronics commerce. The electronic commerce can be best examples are the, this is the diagram will be represented peer-to-peer system that not fix any server or not any fixed client. So in e-commerce there are some applications, most example business to consumer, business to business, government to consumer, consumer to consumer, peer to peer. So for example, business to consumer, ordering of books online, business to business, car manufacturing, ordering tires for the suppliers, government to consumer, government distributing a tax in form electronic, that is income tax. Then consumer to consumer, acquiring second hand products online like OLX or anything. Then peer to peer, that is file sharing. These are the under the e-commerce. Then mobile users. So mobile users such as computers, notebook and personal digital assistants are one of the fastest growing segment in computer industry. In day-to-day life, like in pandemic situation, last year most of the people work from home. That time the mobile users do their work job from the home. So that time we use the mobile computers such as notebook computers or personal digital assistants, that is PDA, for the doing the work. So that is growing in most last decades. So many owners these computers have desktop machines back of the office want to be connected their home base even the when anyway away from the home or any route. So that is the example of mobile user. Mobile user use the sharing the emails or can access the emails account through on mobile. That is the examples of the mobile users. One of the huge thing in m-commerce is nothing but the mobiles has going It is that mobile phone users are accustomed to paying for everything in constant to the internet user. We expected everything to be free. So most of the doing a job in today's world, mobile recharge like banking payment, most of the we do in many applications we are doing through a single point access, that is through the mobile. So if you observe, the number of lots of applications will be available, for example gas booking, mobile recharge, then bank payment transfer, or any another services will be applicable on your mobile users, like railway reservations, your light bill pay, all these things are available. So this is the best example in mobile users. Then social issues. So most of the if you observe, the most of the people are active in today's world in social networking. So social networking, the social issues like most of the social activities or some good ideas will be spread through the social issues like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all these things. So the widespread introduction networking has introduced a new social, ethical and political problem. Let us just briefly mention a few them through require full book at least one. The popular features of many networks are news groups, bulletin boards where the people can exchange their message like minded individuals, as long as the subject are restricted to technical topics like hobbies like gardening or not to me problems will be arise. So that time the people share their thoughts in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or also they make a common WhatsApp group like this, so they can share their ideas and thoughts in social issues, and they can represent their opinions through this networking. So most of the trouble comes when the news groups are not set topics the people actually care about, like politicals, religion or sex. So view posts to be such groups may be deeply offensive some people. So these are the some applications which is related to the network applications, like business application, social business application, home application, mobile user and social issues. So network application will be used in this. So we can stop here. Thank you.